How to create Zango Wallet account, Zango Wallet sign up. If you want to create a Zango Wallet account or maybe sign up to Zango Wallet, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Zango Wallet application here. As you've done this, just tap on continue and choose the email address that you want to use for your Zengo app, then tap on continue. It'll ask you to verify your email, so quickly go ahead and open up your email within 30 seconds and you'll find all of this Zengo verification and so on, right? So you'll find something like this, so you have to tap and tap to confirm and it will just go ahead and then actually tap to confirm it, right? So you can just come back, refresh it a couple of times, confirm your email right here, then just tap on the tap to confirm option there, and once you've done this you'll be able to go ahead and then basically tap to the confirm option over here, and once you've done this you'll be able to verify this particular process. And once done, after this you can verify with your password and you can choose any of the other options to basically go ahead and then enter your email address here. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.